Welcome back to Angrezi Master, your own YouTube channel. In the series of how to use models, today we shall discuss the use of will and would. So without much ado, let's begin. How to use models. Will, willingness or unwillingness. We use will to talk about our willingness to do something. For example, the teacher will give you another chance to correct your answer. Another example, thanks for your help. I'll return your kit on Sunday. Similarly, we use will not or won't to express unwillingness or refusal to do something. For example, the teacher advised him, but he won't listen. Another example, the car won't start. I wonder something is wrong with its battery. To express willingness in past, we use would or wouldn't. We use would to talk about past habits or repeated actions. For example, whenever I required any help with my homework, my mother would always guide me. Remember, in case of a particular occasion in past, we normally do not use would. So here we can't say, I got late so my brother would drop me to school. We should use dropped in place of would drop. Although we can use would not or wouldn't for both general and particular occasion in past. For example, despite my request, my brother wouldn't drop me to school. Another example, the doctor tried hard but the patient wouldn't respond. Dear friends, for details you may go to our first video on would, used to or we to. I shall give a link for it here. We don't use will to talk about actions already decided or arranged to do. Instead, we have to use be with ing form of the verb. For example, the PM is visiting our city next Monday. Here, we can't say the PM will come here next Monday. Another example, we are going to the theatre this Friday. Here, we can't say we'll go to the theatre this Friday. We use will and would to talk about habits or characteristic behavior of someone. We do so to criticize others, especially while speaking. In case of present habits, we use will. For example, she will leave the taps running even though they are not in use. Another example, it's biting cold. Even now, Jack won't wear woolens. We use would in case of past habits. For example, Rahul would talk about people behind their back. I'm glad he left our team. Another example, I would spend hours looking at the sky when I was in the hostel. We use will and won't when we think a present or future situation is certain. For example, with this speed, you won't reach the party in time. Another example, India will be a superpower. We use will or won't have with past participle form of the verb when we think a past situation is certain from a present or future point of view. For example, the teacher will have checked the homework by now. Another example, by next month, the contractor will have felled 20,000 trees for building the highway. When we want to show that a situation is unreal, imaginary, or that might have happened but didn't take place, we use would have with past participle form of the verb. For example, my father would not have allowed higher studies if my uncle had not convinced him. Another example, during COVID crisis in 2021, I just don't know what would India have done without the help of the Western world. Another example, I would not have recovered if the doctor had not been so dedicated. Dear students, now pick the best answers to correct the statements given below. Write your answers in the comment box. I shall respond to all your comments as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Please like, share, subscribe Angrezi Master and press the bell icon to get our latest lessons. In the next video, I shall discuss how to talk about possibility.